Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily root your Android phone to laptop or PC. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly in your laptop or PC device, head toward any web browser. I'm using Google Chrome here. Then after in the search box, type King Root for PC. Then after click on the first website. You will be heading toward the official website of King Root. You will see the option of download. Simply click on it and shortly King Root for your laptop or PC will be downloaded. Once the file has been downloaded, simply double click on it and the setup will start. Once King Root process has been finished in your laptop or PC, now you need to make some changes in your mobile device. For that, firstly head towards setting, go all the way down and search for about device. Then after, go to version. There, keep clicking on build number until it shows that the developer mode has been turned on. Provide your password and verify your identification. Then after again go back, go to additional setting, search for developer option or developer mode and click on it. Then after, here you need to search for USB debugging. Turn on this feature and then connect your phone to your laptop or PC. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.